What's up guys, welcome to a new one. Today I'm going to be showing you some gym exercises you could do at home. So for those of us who don't have access to gym or gym equipment but still want to take their training to the next level, this workout is going to help you exactly do so. But this is no near replacement or equivalent to doing exercises in the gym because they have machines and cables you could use to do all varieties of workout that targets every muscle. But this alternative is also going to help you target every single muscle allocated within the muscle group that the ones in the gym do. And also the mood and the scenery in the gym affect your training style because it makes you more better and more efficient because there are more people working out with you versus just working out alone by yourself in a closed space. So this alternative, I hope, is going to help you achieve the goals you want. So if you're ready, let's get started with the first alternative. This is an exercise being done in the gym. It primarily targets the latissimus dorsi. Now this exercise simulates the movement of an actual pull down. You just need to get a towel of at least 2 feet, stretch as hard as possible on the towel and pull it slowly. It works your lats quite well. Note, you can increase or decrease the intensity by stretching really hard or releasing the stretch a little bit. Bench press. This is a common workout done in a gym which engages your chest, shoulder and tricep. Push-up is an alternative workout to bench press because you apply about 64% of your total body weight when doing a standard push-up, and it targets the same muscle group and also work on your stabilization muscles. Note, you can increase the intensity of the workout by wearing a bag filled with books. Tricep extensions. This workout is done in the gym with a tricep cable, mainly emphasizes on the muscles of the tricep. But since we don't have that, we'll go for a close alternative, which is the bodyweight tricep extensions. Very easy move to perform. All you need to do is lay on the floor with your palm facing the floor with the support of your elbows and feet. Now press your weight off of the floor using your palm. Flex your triceps when coming up and hold the upper position for a second, then repeat the move. Note, to make this move more intense, you can move your body a little bit forward towards your hand, making it closer to your chest. Overhead dumbbell presses. This move is performed by using a set of dumbbells by lifting them over the head and bringing the dumbbells back to shoulder length. It targets the muscles of the shoulders, upper back, triceps, and a little bit of the chest. This is an advanced calisthenic movement that requires practice to perform, and it uses your entire body weight as resistance when pushing up. But you can also do this on the wall by suspending your legs by the wall for balance. It significantly targets all the muscles and overhead dumbbell presses engages. Note, you can increase the intensity by wearing a bag with books in them. Barbell squat. Barbell squats are an excellent choice when it comes to building bigger legs. Squats help strengthen the hamstring and quads and your lower back. But if you have no access to a barbell, you could still perform a similar intense squat too. Jump squats are a faster building leg exercise you could do at home in replacement to a barbell squat because jumping creates an explosive force generated by the quads to lift up your body, which in turn brings more work for them to handle and control when landing. It targets similar muscles to that of a barbell squat. Note, you can increase the intensity by wearing a bag filled with books or hold anything heavy around the mouth. Skull crushers. This is a workout that helps build bigger tricep. An alternative to this is dips. This exercise is as tough as the skull crusher for building massive triceps. Note, you can increase the intensity by fully extending your legs or put something heavy on your laps. Machine calf raises. This is one of the various ways you can build a strong calf in a gym, but let's look at something we could do at home to get a shredded calf too. This alternative completely works same as the ones in the gym. Those are just big equipment that can increase and decrease weight for more or less muscle recruitment. So you want to get something like a book to stand on. Slightly let your heel pop out a little bit, then begin to lift yourself by the toe and engage your calf when doing so. Note, you can increase the intensity by putting on a bag filled with something that makes it heavier. Dumbbell flies. This is an exercise done with a dumbbell that emphasizes on most of the muscle in the upper body. This is a type of push-up where your hands are past your shoulder width. It recruits more muscles of the back, tricep, shoulder and chest. Note, you can increase the intensity by performing it with a bag full of books. Dumbbell presses. This is a gym workout performed with the aid of a dumbbell but can still be alternated with a similarly intense one, which is deep push-ups. This is a rather more complex push-up variation. Doesn't need more practice. It can be done by a beginner. All you need to do is get 2 chairs, place them facing each other with a little space in between. Then do consecutive reps of push-ups. It targets the chest muscles, your deltoid and rhomboids. Note, you can increase the intensity by reducing the amount of elevation your chair has. Pull-ups. Finally, the last one is an exercise that needs you to lift your weight with the aid of the bicep and back muscles. An alternative workout to this is the body rolls. Get 2 stools, position them opposite each other, then slide in there, tighten your core, then pull firmly on the stool so your body comes up in place with the seat. This targets and strengthens the bicep and lats. Note, you can increase the intensity by wearing a bag with books in them. So with all that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay shredded.